Kamusta naman kayo dyan? Tingin niyo ba makakapalag kayo? Ay, natapos na pala ako.
And the Kangkong champ, it's...
Welcome to the jungle. Dito sa Kangkong King Insight, we will show you the real leaf behind the crown comes to life. Sa bago nating segment, papakita natin ano talaga nangyayari behind Kangkong King. On this pilot episode, we're taking you on a journey into what makes our chips truly king-worthy. Are you ready? Let's go!
At Kangkong King, every chip starts with a real pair of hands. Today, we're stepping into the shoes of our factory team with a challenge we're calling the Great Kangkong Cut-Off.
Hello guys! Magkasama kami ngayon ni Divine at ni Ben. And today, papakita namin sa inyo yung first step na ginagawa namin sa Kangkong King, which is gumupit ng kanggong! Yung challenge namin today is magpapabilisan lang kami kung sino pinakamaraming magugupit within 3 minutes. So, meron kaming kangkong and meron rin kami ditong cutter. Pakita natin sino yung magiging kangkong champ today.
Timer starts now.
Meron ba tayong specific quality na tinitingnan sa ating kangkong?
Yes po, meron po tayong tinitignan na specific. So, una, yung mga size po ng dahon. Ang dahon dapat na po natin is malalaki, saka yung magaganda. So, iwasan lang po natin na kunin yung mga yellowish, yung madidilaw mismo na dahon para good quality mabibigay natin kay customer.
Wow!
Sige, pumunta naman tayo kay Sir Ben.
What's up? What's up?
Bakit tingin mo important na maging hands-on sa pag-produce ng kangkong chips?
For me, parang anak mo rin siya itong business, itong product natin. Binibigyan natin siya ng pagmamahal. So, kailangan talaga tulad sa anak natin, hands-on talaga tayo.
Last question kay ating founder, Mr. Frank Gao. Meron na ba kayong own farm ngayon?
Sa ngayon, we get it directly from our farmers, both in Rizal at Pampanga. Di pa tayo nakaka-acquire ng buong farm, pero malay natin, sa awa ng Diyos, in a few years, maka-acquire din tayo. Kamusta naman kayo dyan? Tingin nyo ba makakapalag kayo? Tapos na ako.
1 minute left.
Hindi nga, matapos ka na.
Last 30 seconds.
Ay, natapos na pala ako.
Five, four,
Pangalawa niya na yan?
2, 1. Okay. Hands up, hands up. Oy! Grabe, hands up. Hands up, hands up. Hands up.
Ay, natapos na pala ako.
Giging kangkong champ!
May kangkong champ that will give us free supply of kanggong!
Here! Tama ba?
First basket.
Ladies first.
Yan.
Gender review.
Last.
Mukhang mabigat to ah.
Who's the Kangkong champ?
And the Kangkong champ with a score of 507 to 1. It's Sir Ben.
Congratulations!
Thank you.
But before we wrap our episode, it's time for our after crunch takeaways. For me, hanggang ginagawa ko to, it brings back old memories kung paano kami lahat nagsimula. Gaano kahirap yung effort na ginagawa ng mga tao natin araw-araw to cut it precisely and to sort it nang sigurado tayo sa quality.
Sa akin naman, habang kinakat ko siya, naisip ko na mas nakakatulong tayo sa mga local farmers natin. Napropromote din natin yung ating product na gawang Philippines.
Ako naman, di ko rin naman din in-expect na mananalo ko dito sa challenge. Ang in-expect ko talaga si Divine kasi she's one of our greatest employee here in Kangkong. Then we really appreciate na ginagawa nila for us. Yung experience ko naman for this challenge, parang naging medyo therapeutic siya sa akin.
Thank you for hanging out with us today. Sobrang saya, no? Ang rami natin natutunan. This is just the first episode, Kindly do like and follow us on Facebook at Kangkong King, Instagram at Kangkong King PH, and TikTok for more fun content and updates. Ay, nga pala, don't forget. Ito yung pinaka-importante. Dapat masubukan nyo to. See you on our next Kangkong venture. Aabangan ko kayo, Tara! Welcome to the jungle.
This is Kangkong Mike.
Ay,